I'm Dr. Nicholas Ting, and I'm a fellowship-trained and board-certified adult hip and knee surgeon here at Dickson-Diveley Orthopaedics. I chose the field of orthopedic surgery because it epitomized for me what we try to accomplish in medicine, which is to return patients back to true form and function in the way that they want to. I chose adult hip and knee reconstruction because whether you are a former high school, collegiate, or professional athlete looking to get back to sport, or a weekend warrior just hoping to be active again, or just someone who wants to play with your kids and grandkids, hip and knee replacements are really the way to get you back to doing all of those things, and I look forward to helping patients get back into the game of life. My philosophy with taking care of patients really is treating them like my own family members. My passion is also marrying the advancement of technology and advances in care pathways so that we can improve not only recovery immediately post-operatively, but also improve the longevity of the implants that we put in. I've had the privilege of training at some of the most prestigious orthopedic institutions in the country, and I'm excited to bring the advances that I've learned along the way, whether that comes in the form of anterior hip replacements, minimally invasive surgery, or robotic-assisted hip and knee surgery to the patients here in the Kansas City community.